Hey guys, this is Ella here, and today I decided to shoot this quick video for you guys because I am so inspired to share with you guys something. This is one of the most inspiring stories that I had, that I actually have on my team right now, and it's about a guy. His name is James Parmis, and I am super excited to share this story because it's very, very inspirational. So his story goes like this. He got started in the Big Idea Mastermind about a month ago. In 25 days, he was able to earn a little bit over $1,600, and which is very, very exciting because he just got started, and this is how much he made, and it's very inspirational because how he was able to make that, to really make it happen right from the start, is because he is so driven. He's very driven, and he takes massive action, and he has no excuses to make it work. And the reason for that is, I want to share with you guys the main reason for that, and what you should look for when you hear stories like this. Is he had an amazing why. He right now he has an amazing why he wants, the reason why he wants to make this business work and why he wants to succeed so bad. And the reason for that, for him, for James personally, is because his family, his wife and his kids, they live in a different country. He actually had to move to another country to work as an accountant to support his family who lives in a different country where he's from. So, and as you can imagine how hard it is to be away from your family, and not only for a month, not only for 2 months, but this has been going on for years. I believe it was like, I don't remember exactly, but I think it was like he told me it was like 9 years or something. That's how long it was going on for. And as you can see how big his why is. He wants to be back with his family. He wants to be there with his wife. He wants to see his children grow up, and by being there with them. And he just didn't have a chance like that to see his kids grow up because he was trying to provide for his family, and the only way he could do that is actually to move to another country and work there and make money there, and then send the family, the money, the finances, so they can survive there where they live. So he has a huge why to make it happen, and that is why he's having such a great success. That is why you see stories like this, because I believe, one of the biggest reasons is one of the biggest things that you have to make it happen and to be determined to make it happen is you have to have a big why. You have to have a big vision and a big goal where you want to get. And once you have that, like James, he has a clear vision that he wants to be, by Christmas, he wants to be with his family, celebrating the holidays and enjoying his lifestyle with his family, and being able to work from his home and to work online or wherever they decide to work. Maybe they're gonna travel with their family because they lost so much time together. I'm sure they're gonna have a lot of fun, when he gets to his goal and he is able to move back to his family and just enjoy the life with his family. So I just think this story is so inspirational, and I felt like a lot of people needed to hear it, and it inspired me personally. And James, I'm just so proud of you, what you have accomplished so far. And like I told you in the beginning, you will be a superstar here. I just know it. I knew it from the beginning. So I just want to wish you all the success, and because you deserve it big time. You really deserve it, and you deserve to be with your family. So that's my quick testimonial for you, and I'm just so proud of you, and keep rocking it, keep doing it, and I know you're gonna get all your dreams come true and get to all your goals. I believe in you, and you can make it happen. For you guys, the same thing. Just figure out your why and set your goals and go towards those goals, and you will make it happen for sure. Okay, signing off here, Ella Class, and I'll talk to you guys later.